Okay, we're back. What I've done was save that first section, and you can tell because I have a new file up here in the clip bin, and that gives me the opportunity to edit this particular recording. I am actually what I was hesitating about is I'm trying to figure out how I can complete the training and show you how I finalize this and load it to YouTube when in fact I'm not finalized. So anyway, I have that worked out, and what I want to point out to you is that this clip that we just did, which is up here, has been added to the timeline. And what I want to do is I want to be very careful that right now that these buttons come back to the actual start of the video. You remember there was some music and this screen right here when we started, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to now I'm going to take these two clips, and actually there will be a third. When you're finally watching this, there'll be a third clip that I add to this so that I can complete the training. But I can't complete the training and continue the training at the same time. At least I haven't figured out how to do that. If any of you guys figure out how to do that, let me know. That will be a great product. Okay, so here we go. So now I'm going to click Produce Video As, and let me adjust the screen here so you can see that. And you have several options, and I'm going to show you what I do. There's probably people out there that do this a different way, and there's many options for how you can do this, but here's what works well for me all the time. I've been through this. Anyway, let's just click right here. I use custom production settings. Okay, once I do that, you can't see it, but I click on next, and then what I use is this button that says iPod iTunes specialized video format. Okay, I like that. It works for me very well, and I'll just show you here at the bottom. We just go to next, and there's different options. That is really for another session. I'm just going to keep going to next, and I'm going to title this. I do want to title it, and this is going to be Screen Capture Training, and then I come down here to finish, and you can see what's going on here. You'll have this rendering project button. Now I'm going to pause while that completes, because that sometimes takes a little while, and we'll go from there. Okay, we're back. You can see the results of the processing of the video to this point. I can tell that everything looks good by this screen right here. Of course, this screen here says production results, gives you some data about your recording. It asks if you want to open the production folder, which I do not at this point. And down here at the bottom, it just asks you what you want to do. So I want to click Finish, and we are basically done. Now at this point, a couple things are going to happen. As you know, I've been recording some information for you while showing you how the first part of this was processed. So I'm going to finish uploading that piece of the training. Then I will have a complete video. And as you've learned in a prior lesson, all we're going to do is take that final video and upload it to YouTube, and then it'll be available. So when you get the announcement, or when you refer to the announcement of this video, that will be from a YouTube source that will be referenced on the Facebook group YouTube Mastery, and on the website youtubemastery.net, where all the videos are shown in sequence. So I hope you enjoy this training. There are a lot of things that I did not cover. If you have a particular issue or problem or question with any of this material, I do invite you to write on the wall of the group or send me a message, whatever you prefer. I'll be delighted to help you as much as I can. And I certainly used this particular screenshot for a purpose. A shameless plug. This is a wonderful deal. This is DUBLIAN.com. 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 So check that out. Watch this video and kick the tires. I think you're going to be really excited to discover this. I know I was, and that's why I'm using it for this training, so I can show you the training plus the site. And that's, by the way, something that you can do when you do your own training with either live screenshots, or live video or screen capture software. Thank you very much for your time, attention, and interest. I appreciate all of you. This is Steve Pollitt, YouTubeMastery.net, Facebook group, YouTube Mastery. Thank you again. Bye-bye.